What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Wallflowers, 6th Avenue, Heartache. Awesome. Okay, this is a great song and super easy. We only have 4 chords. Let's put a capo on 3, please. 1, 2, 3. I got this cool slide capo. It's great. Alright, so let's go. We got a D major. Song is in D major shape. 1, 2, 3. We got an A add 9. 1, 2. D string, G string. E minor. So just move that shape up to A and D. E minor. Keep your second finger where it is. Move third finger to make it a G major. Pinky on top. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 9. E minor. G major. E major. Down. Same strumming, just put your right hand on the bridge and mute it a little bit. Bring it up. No muting. Practice for the muting. Build it. Cool. 6th Avenue, Heartache. So yeah, that's it. That's 3 chords: D major, A, 9 or add 9, E minor, and G major. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Cape 3. Cool, guys. guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe, take care, and rock and roll. Oops.